Boom, I'm back in the old toy shed at the Heale Manor, and I'm your host, Lord Heale, and we're back on the old the Bantam Project. Now, a little bit of an update. There has been a bit of a delay in some of the parts coming, which for me is a little bit of a problem, because I can't get on with anything because I'm waiting for a gasket kit. So I can't look at the clutch, I can't look at the forks, I can't look at draining the sump, although it is leaking a lot of oil. So however, what I did do today, I managed to get hold of, or on Friday should I say, on the way up to the Adventure Bike Riders Festival, which I had a great time. If you haven't seen it, go back and have a look at the video that I put up about the festival. It was a really good weekend. I've condensed down a lot of it just to give you an idea of what the festival's all about, what's available there, and yeah, it's really good weekend. I've already purchased my ticket for next year. That's how good it is. I've got the old the loyalty, what's the name? Anyway, today going to do a little bit of an unboxing of the Electrux World Limited high quality electronic part for motorbikes. This is the electronic ignition. So on the way up there on Friday, I stopped off at this place and I picked up the electronic ignition. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a little bit of an unboxing. Bum 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 bum. Brrr. So I've opened the box. that's the easy bit, opening the box. Comes with a set of instructions. Oh, actually, the instructions, the pictures anyway, don't look too bad. Get a look at that. That's kind of what we're looking at. And then there's some instructions there as well. So it should be fairly straightforward, he says. So, right, what else is in the box? We got a what's name thing here. What does this say? Cut blue wire for 12 volt use, leave intact for 6 volt use. So, oh, that looks interesting. So I don't know whether you can actually see that, but there's a blue wire. So for me, I'm going to leave that blue wire intact because we've got a 6 volt system on there. Next up, we've got, oh, aha, that's interesting. That's the kill switch. The kill switch, I guess goes on the handlebars and stops the bike. Oh, then we've got the a black box. There's a little black box. Look, black box. I think that is probably the looks like for the high tension lead. That's what gives you the spark. That little black piece. Then we've got a what's name cap. Spark plug cap, and then, oh cool, blimey, that's heavy. So let's have a look at this piece. This is the main bit, I think. This is what makes it, that's the, oh blimey, look. that's the oh, so there's marks on there. You can, don't know whether you can see the marks on there. That's the actual doobry what's it thingy jib itself. So I've got leads coming off and connectors on the end. So there's 3 wires going into that. I think that comes out of there. Cool, that's a magnet. So that's the main doobry. So I've got to change that. That's got to change. So I've got to swap the one out that's in there. And I guess this here, that's the coils and everything there. So that's the bits and pieces that actually will do the job. So it wriggles about a little bit. So yeah, there's a little bit. So I guess that's what works the timing. A lot of noise going on out there. Right, we'll put all that back for now. So drop him back into there. So the next job that needs doing is I need to take all the old gubbins out. So we'll just put all that back together for now. Stick all that back in the box. Then what I need to do is, it's good because it's in English. Been a nightmare if you've been into Chinese or something. However, while I was at the factory, I had a chat with the people up there, and what they said is that they make everything on site. They actually make everything themselves. The only thing that they get from abroad is the kill switch that comes from Taiwan. Everything else is made in-house. So by fitting this to my old trusty British bike, using British parts. So that's it. That's the unboxing. That's where we are with it so far. So the update, just a quick summary, is that I'm waiting for some parts. Basically, I've got a gasket set coming and some nuts and bolts and bits and pieces to be able to carry on the project. The wheels, I think I'm going to leave the wheels for the time being. I'm going to get the other bits and pieces done. I'm going to get the electronic ignition sorted out. I'll look the carb off, give that a really good clean, put it back on, put some fresh petrol in it. Once I get the bits and pieces, we'll drain the rest of the oil out of there, top that up with oil and stop the leak, hopefully, and then we'll see if we can get it running. Once we've got it running, then we'll move the project on. So until the next time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the like button. Give us a like. Comment. If you see anything that you think will be a really helpful tip for yours truly, much appreciated. You know I don't know what I'm doing with this. So until the next one, TTFN. Ta-ta for now.